Dear students, in this unit we will talk about the common features which are present in all three groups of vertebrates, amphibians, reptiles, as well as birds. They share different features which could be found very common in all three of these large groups of animals. The first one is that they belong to the same phylum or the subphylum Vertebrata. Then we have a backbone which is present in all three of the amphibians, reptiles, as well as birds. So they have a vertebral column or backbone. Then all three shares a bony internal structures. So this means that their internal structure is made up of bones. So they share this commonality as well. When we talk about the jaw, amphibians and reptiles, they have specialized jaws, while in birds it has transformed into beak, which is different. Its function is similar to jaws, but it is quite different from this organ. Then when we talk about the respiratory system, reptiles as well as birds as well as amphibians, they have a specialized lung which help them in breathing, but there is a slight difference in the amphibians, that the larvae of the amphibians, they live inside the water, so they don't have lungs, they have gills instead of these lungs. So these are the special different characteristics as compared to other two large groups of the animals. When we talk about the amphibians and reptiles, they have 4 limbs, while in birds, although they have 4 limbs, but the front 2 limbs, they have been modified as wings, and they help them in the flight. These are the slight different features, but most of them, they are common in amphibian, reptiles, as well as birds.